Okay, here is a remake or redo this video of my Manning Bowman here, from the 70s, 80s, somewhere around that era. But it's the 2-speed push button thing. I mean, it's got the tag on it and everything. I haven't run it or anything since the last video I made on this thing, and hasn't been oiled or anything. I actually haven't touched it. I just stuffed it in a closet. But other than that, I mean, I'm also making this video because it needs to run. But let's see, there we go. First speed is high. Wait, hold on. Before I start this thing up, it's not really long, but I just like the way the startup sound is on here. I mean, you've got to hear this thing. So you ready? I mean, did you hear that? That was great. Except for the loud wind part, but high. That's a good fan. I like the loud tone. This is like my favorite fan of the whole collection, that and the Dayton that I've got. But other than that, oh, before I go ahead and go, I've got I want to show you the way the J.V.P should have looked with the badge on it, because I really haven't seen any collectors make a video of a J.V.P, so I don't even know what J.V.P stands for or anything, but this is what it should have looked like, well, except for that big crack there. It's actually hanging off of one screw, so I can pull it apart. But it's real delicate. It blows good air. I oiled it and everything, cleaned it off. But this is what it should have looked like. I mean, it's got 3-speed little push button thing. But I mean, I just want to show you guys that. And anyway, till then, more videos to come.